Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show us step by step how to trade features trading, step by step guide to trade features on any exchange, right? So this is MEXC exchange. So that is the exchange I'll be using to show you how to trade features. So right here, when you look down here, you will see features. Once you open your MEXC exchange, that is MEX exchange, or in your Bybit, you can use your Bybit depending on the kind of the particular exchange you are using to trade. Just go right there at the features trading section. So in this MEX, this is the features trading section in MEX. Just tap on it and it will bring up this background for you. Alright, so for you to trade any token on features, the first thing you're going to do is to look right here where you see a trading pair. Like in this place, you will see Euro USDT. Once you click on it, you will be able to search for the particular trading pair you want to trade. Alright, let's assume you want to trade fat coin. You type it fat coin. Alright, it will come up and you click on it and select it. Or you want to trade something like launch coin. Alright, once you type in the name, it will come up and you choose it. Alright, to trade, you choose that particular trading pair. Alright, so right here I want to trade this. Let's assume I want to trade this token Euro USDT. Alright, so I want to trade this token now. So I will choose it and it will come up here. Alright, so once it comes up, the next thing I will do is to select the type of merging I want. Is it isolated merging or cross merging? If you don't understand what isolated merging or cross merging is, you can go ahead and watch the video I made on isolated merging and cross merging, how to use it, the differences between the two of them. I explained everything in that video, so watch that video. You will get to understand how to use this, how to use isolated and how to use cross merging. The one you need to choose for the kind of trade, for a particular type of trade you want to make, or the one that is best to use at a given time. All right, so now when you choose either isolated or cross merging, then the next thing you want to do is to select the type of, to select your leverage. All right, put up the leverage you want. I also made a video that explains everything about leverage and how to choose a leverage, how to select a particular a leverage that suits a particular trade. So check out the video I made on leverage, on how to use leverage. All right, then watch it and you will understand all you need to know about leverage and how to set it up. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to select your order type. Remember, this is business. The same way you place order for goods and services, that is how you place order for buying and selling of crypto assets. So the next thing you want to do is to select your order type. Just this place you see limit, you may see limit or you may see market. So just click on it. When you click on it, it will bring up all the order type for you. All right, so what you are going to do is to, you will see here we have limit, we have market, we have trigger, we have a post only, we have trailing stop, so but the other type we are looking at here is limit and market. Limit and market, that is what we are looking at here. All right, so you either choose limit or you choose market. Okay, you can also watch the video I made explaining this limit order and market order. Watch the video I made on it so that you will understand how to use limit order and market order effectively, all right, for a trade. Okay, now let's assume I want to use, you can select either limit or market depending on the one you want to use, or depending on the one the signal you got, depending on the one the signal you got says you should use. All right, then you come here, you select it. Maybe if they gave you a signal that has a limit order, you just come and select limit. If the signal you got has a market order, you just come and select the market order. All right, so that is it. Okay, now market order means you are buying immediately. All right, market order means you are buying at the current price, while limit order means limit order means that you are setting up a particular price at which you want to buy or sell the token. All right, you are setting up for limit order, you are setting your choice price you want to buy or sell a particular token. All right, so the next thing you want to do is let's assume I'm taking a market order. So the next thing you want to do is to put your cost. You can choose to put your cost in USDT. So you change it, you can change it if you want to. If you want to use USDT as your cost, you can just leave it here at USDT, or you can change it order by quantity, or you change it to order by cost. Order by cost will show you the cost in USDT. Order by quantity will show you quantity in USDT or quantity in the particular asset you are buying. All right, so that is it. Let's assume we are taking order by quantity in USDT. You understand? So we put it up, the amount of US. So you come here and enter the amount of USDT you want to use to buy this token. Let's choose 0.3. All right, 0.3 USDT, for instance. Okay, let's take 1 USDT. Let's assume. Okay, let me change this to order by cost. Let me change it to order by cost, because of the amount I have in my account is too small, so let's just use order by cost. Okay, on isolated merging. So what you can see is not showing me anything here. So what I will do, let me just increase this my leverage. Let me increase my leverage to times 25. Says there is open order. Let's see. Cancel this order. I already have an open order on that particular token, so I've already cancelled the order so that I'll be able to place this order. So you can see, because the USDT was too small, that was why it did not show up. All right, the USDT was too small, and the leverage I am using here is too small. Yeah, the leverage I'm using is too small, that's why it did not show up. But if I increase the leverage now, if I increase the leverage to times 25, I will now be able to trade with 0.3. You can see 10% of this is 0.388, so I can now trade with 0.3 because I've already increased the leverage. So watch the video I made on leverage and how to use your leverage, how to apply your leverage, for a profitable trade, so that you will understand more about leverage. So let's assume I'm actually going to this trade. I don't actually want to enter that trade with a high leverage, so let me still reduce it to times 10. Let me use times 10 leverage. That is actually what I want to use to enter that particular trader, because I don't want to go into that trade with high leverage. So I am using 100% of my account. So you can use 10% of your account. It is always advisable to use 10% of your capital to trade for each trade. 10%. Sometimes you may use just 5% of your trading capital. So this is where you set it. You can see the percentage will be showing here. All right. So if I say let me use 10% of this is my trading capital. So I say let me use 10% of my trading capital. It means that 10% of this is the percentage here. So 10% of my trading capital. 10% of my trading capital is just 0.3659. That is 10% of my trading capital. If I'm using 20%, 20% is 0.7318. All right. So that is how to set up don't use all your capital in trading. All right. Don't use all your capital in trading at once. So you can use at most 10% of your account. Don't use more than 10%. As a beginner, don't use more than 10% of your account, like 10% of your total capital, to trade at a time. All right, use between 5 to 10% of your account to enter each trade. Don't enter each trade with more than 5 to 10% of your account. Very important, so that even if you lose 5% of your, or 5% in the trade, you will still have enough capital to continue trading. All right, so that is it. Okay, so in this trade now, let's assume I'm using 20%, or maybe let's increase it 40%. Let me use 40% of my account, which is 1.4. all right, to trade. if you still use 10% will still work. Let's use 10%. Let's use 10%. Yeah. So you have set it. Now the next thing you want to set is your take profit and stop loss, that is TP and SL. So watch the video. I already made a video explaining this TP and SL in detail. So next thing you're going to do is to put your take profit here and your stop loss here. Very important. Don't forget to do that. That will make you not to lose much. It will control it will help you to take profit and also stop loss at a given or at a set amount. All right, so after you have imputed, if you have impute your TP and your SL, the next thing you are going to do is to if you are, this is open, you see open here, to execute the order is either you are opening a long, you are taking long, the green bar is your long, and while the red is short. All right, so open long, open short. Now short, another name for short is sell. This red bar indicates sell. You understand? It's used for sell. It's either you call it short or you call it sell. And then this green bar is for long. It's either you call it long or you call it buy. So sometimes when they send you signal, they will tell you long buy or they will tell you long. All right, they may tell you fat coin long market order. They will tell you market order fat coin long, or they tell you limit order fat coin long, or they will tell you market order fat coin short. I'm giving an instance. Or they will tell you limit order fat coin short. All right, so you will now know what to do. I will still make a video on how to enter the signal you are given. Maybe somebody sent you signal, how to enter it. I will still make a video on it. All right, so just know that long is the same thing as buy, short is the same thing as sell. So in this case we are going long. So I will now click on long. Okay, they said that the minimum order cost is 0.7. So let's increase our margin. So we have taken it to 25%. So let's now place the order. Okay, let's place the order. Good. The order is successfully filled. So when you come here now, you will see that order. Look at it. It's already filled. Remember, I did not put take profit and stop loss. So since I did not put take profit and stop loss, I can still set it by clicking on this place now. If I click on this place now, I can set up my take profit and stop loss. I may say when the price gets to, this is stop loss, let me set it when the price gets to 0.69. all right, that this trade should automatically close. That means I will have a 53% loss. When I have up to 53% loss, that this trade should close. That will now give me minus 0.39 USDT. It means that I will be losing 0.39 USDT when this trade closes at this stop loss price. Then I will now say when the price of this token, when it reaches $1, the system should close this trade. All right, that means once the price of this token moves to $1, which will give me 2.7 USDT, this trade, the system should automatically close this trade. All right, so that is it. You can set it. All right, so that is it. So let me close this trade now. I believe you have understood everything. So let me close this trade. So I've already closed that trade. I've closed that trade already. So that is that. Okay, so I've already closed that trade. So please like this video, share it, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel so that anytime any video, and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video, you'll be among the first to watch the video, to get notified to watch the video. All right, so you have known how to trade futures. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to drop your question in the comment section of this video, or you can join our Telegram community to ask your questions there and get answers. And also, we drop signals in our Telegram community. Join our Telegram community through the link I'll provide in the description of this video. Follow the link and join our Telegram community so that you can get daily trading signals. All right, so see you in the next video.